One of the greatest crimes, spiritual crimes, that occurs every day in the Ummah is at the hands of loved ones to loved ones. Parents, spouses, husbands, we have sometimes the worst things to say to our loved ones. And sometimes we say those things in the name of Allah. Allah will punish you for what you just did. There will be justice on you. Allah will not forgive what you know. And mother can say that to her child, wife can say to husband, siblings can say to each other. Like invoking, like Allah is some angry weapon that you can invoke because you're upset, Allah must be upset. And you can just use Allah like that. That's not our place. And you know, for a lot of people, they have heard this kind of thing so many times, over and over and over again, that they have become far away from Allah Himself. They heard from their loved ones. They heard from a child heard from his father or his mother all the time. Allah will punish you if you don't pray. Allah is going to get you if you don't pray. Allah is going to, Allah is very angry at you because you ate that cookie. Like, constantly, Allah is angry, Allah is angry, Allah is angry. When that young boy becomes a 16, 17, 18-year-old, he wants nothing to do with Allah. And when he hears Allah is merciful and Allah is forgiving, he has a hard time believing it because that's not what he grew up with. He did not grow up with an Allah who is forgiving or an Allah who is merciful. As a matter of fact, every time he got in trouble is because of Allah he got in trouble. That's how he got in trouble. And then those same parents say, we taught this child about Allah from the beginning. I don't know why he's running away from deen. Yeah, but which Allah did you teach him about? An angry Allah? An Allah that seeks to punish? مَا يَفْعَلُ اللَّهُ بِعَذَابِكُمْ? Allah says, what's Allah going to get out of punishing you? That's what Allah says Himself. What is He in just the business of coming after you? Going at you? So what happens with people? They are in a difficult situation, and what do? They're constantly thinking Allah is getting them. Allah is hurting them. Allah is doing this to them.